Today, we will be unboxing and installing our new triple head LED motion sensor security light. This light is from the company called Home Zone Security. We purchased this light from Costco and paid only $39.99 for it. As you can read, this light produces 3,000 lumens and uses only 41 watts of electricity. Inside the box is the instruction manual and a bag containing the mounting bracket, mounting screws, and wire nuts. The light itself was supported and wrapped to prevent shipping damage. On the bottom are the controls for the sensitivity, for when the light comes on, either daylight, dusk, or night, and the time the light will be on once motion is detected. Now we're going to uninstall the old flood lamp that had a motion detector system. As you can see, this is on the side of the house over the garage, and we use this light as we pull the car in so that it lights up the area. First step, get the old light down, undo the two screws holding it up. Now we're taking the wire nuts off of the three wires so that we can completely remove the old floodlight motion detection system. While we're removing the wire nuts, I just want to share with you this new floodlight uses 41 watts for 3,000 lumens. This old floodlight used two 75-watt bulbs and produced approximately 2,250 lumens. We now start mounting the bracket for the new Home Zone Security light. And as you can see, this is simply taking the bracket and adding two screws that were in the packet. I'm making sure the wires are clear in preparation for adding the light. Yep. The next step is to attach the wires from the new light's mounting plate to the old wires from the house that provide power to this lamp. You take the colors of the wires, put them together, and screw on a wire nut for all three wires until you have the new mounting plate complete. Once this is completed, just push the wires back behind the mounting bracket and prepare to install the mounting plate for the light.
Hit pause.
With the mounting plate in position, just take a screw and screw it, the screw provided, and screw it into the middle of the plate and to the mounting bracket itself. The final step is just to install the light itself, and as you can see, there's a center screw that mounts into that mounting plate, and you just simply screw it on and tighten it.
Supposed to come on and stuff. You got it right?
Like they're all on the bottom. The program is all at the bottom.
Now the light's completely installed, and we adjust the lights and the motion sensor so that it turns on when we walk in front of the sensor. As you can see, it's now working.
All right.
We've spread out the
Yeah,
lights
cut it
so
off.
that it spreads across
I
the
can't
front
cut
of the
it off.
garage, and we're done.